Good morning, class 7th. Students, this is your maths period. So take out your maths book, your register and your stationery. So in the last class, we have started our exercise 2.4. We have completed till question number 1. Okay, take out page number 38 in your books. We will be doing question number 2 today. Okay, so take out your registers. Write down the date. Today is 24th July 2021 and the day is Saturday. Okay, so we were doing exercise number 2.4. So let's start. Question number 2 is evaluate. Okay, so the first part is 3 whole number 3 by 5 divided by 2 whole number 2 by 5. So what we will do is, first of all we will convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. So 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 upon 5 divided by 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, so 12 upon 5. Now in the next step what we will do, this remains the same and this division operator is changed into multiplication operator, and then we will reverse this, so this becomes 5 upon 12. Now we will check कि ये cancel हो रहा है. So yes, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 18. So we will get 3 upon 2. Okay, we will get 3 upon 2 and we have our question in mixed fraction, so we will also convert this into, so our answer will also be in mixed fraction, so we will convert it into mixed fraction. 2 is the denominator. Okay students, draw a line with a scale, using a scale and a pencil, and do your rough work. So 2 1s are 2. So इसको हम QRD की फॉर्म में करेंगे. Answer will be 1 whole number 1 upon 2. So this will be your answer. Okay. So part number 2 is 6 whole number 7 by 8 divided by 11 by 16. Okay, so you will do this question in your homework. Let's do another question. 40 divided by 6, 2 upon 9. So students, what I have told you earlier, that you don't have to make any changes here. You will always reverse this side. Okay, the side after you change the sign. So 40 divided by 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 2 56, 56 upon 9. Now this side will remain same. This divide operator will be changed into multiply and this will be reversed. So this becomes 9 upon 56. सो वी विल चेक कि कैंसिल हो रहा है. सो 2 2 ज़ा 2 0 ज़ा 2 2 ज़ा 4 2 6 2 8 ज़ा 16. ये फिर से कैंसिल होगा. 2 1 ज़ा 2 2 0 ज़ा 0 2 1 ज़ा 2 2 4 ज़ा 8. फिर से कैंसिल होगा. 2 7 ज़ा 14 एंड 2 5 ज़ा 10. सो व्हाट वी गेट 5 into 9 upon 7. So 5 9s are 45 upon 7. Now we will convert this into mixed fraction. Okay. So 45 7 7 6 are 42 3. तो वापस से हम QRD की फॉर्म में करेंगे. तो 7. So this is your answer. Okay students, noted. Okay, question number 4. Part number 4 you will do in your homework. 6 whole number 2 by 5 divided by 8. And question number, okay, so part number 5 is same as part number 1. This, okay. First of all you have to convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction, and then you have to solve this, and then you have to convert the answer into mixed fraction. Okay. So you have to do part number 5 in your homework. 2 whole number 4 by 7 divided by 1 whole number 5 by 7. So okay, let's do part number 6. 95 by 6 divided by 20. So 95 by 6, this sign will be changed into multiply, and this we will reverse this 1 upon 20. ये cancel हो रहा है. Okay, so 95 upon 6 into 1 upon 20. So हम चेक करेंगे किसके टेबल में आएगा ये. Okay, so by using the divisibility rule, it says कि ये 5 के टेबल से कैंसिल होगा. तो 5 4 ज़ा 20 5 1 ज़ा 5 5 9 ज़ा 45. ये और कैंसिल हो रहा है. नो. 19 upon 24. Okay, so this is your answer, 19 upon 24. Okay. So now let's do question number 3. Evaluate. Okay, so this question is also same as question number 2. You have to do question number 3 like you did question number 2. Okay, so you have to do question number 3 in your homework. Okay, this is your homework. Let's do question number 4. Write down the reciprocal of each of the following. Fractions. So हमें क्या करना है, हमें सारे fractions का reciprocal लिखना है. Okay, so this is 1 upon 13 सो कैसे होगा, ये a अपॉन b की फॉर्म में है तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको b अपॉन a की फॉर्म में कर देंगे। तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा, 13 अपॉन 1। ओके, दिस विल बिकम 13 अपॉन 1 और 13। Let's do the next. Part number 2 is 12 whole number 2 by 5. So first of all we will convert this into proper fraction. 5 12 is 60, 60 plus 2, 62 upon 5. So this will become 5 upon 62. इसको हम इन्वर्स कर देंगे। ओके, नाउ वी विल डू दिस थर्ड पार्ट। नाइन। सो दिस इज वेरी इजी। 9, तो 9 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है तो हम 1 लिखेंगे एंड इसका रेसिप्रोकल करने के लिए क्या होगा, 1 अपॉन 9। सो दिस इज आवर आंसर। पार्ट नंबर 4। सो दिस पार्ट you will do in your homework. Okay, so okay students, let's talk about your homework. You have to do question number 3. There are 6 parts in it. You have to do this question as we did question number 2. Okay, you have, this procedure is same and you have to do, let's write down homework question number 2 parts 2, 4 and 5 and question number 3 and question number 4 part number 4. Okay students, this is your homework. Okay students, send me your homework before 2 PM through WhatsApp, otherwise you will be marked absent. Okay, thank you class, that's all for today. Take care.